Hello, hi, welcome back to Success Automation. Uh, this video, I'm going to talk about the JavaScript. So this series is all about the JavaScript. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss. I'm going to discuss the while loop and do while. These are also very important loops. There are these two concepts which will be used in our automation. So quickly, I'll move to uh, JavaScript compiler. So whenever you want to execute your script in the JavaScript compiler, it's just taking some time. So when you want to open the JavaScript compiler, okay, just go to Google and type JavaScript online compiler. Just click this one. You'll get this one, this link, first link. Click this one. It will open the online editor. It will open the editor like this one. So by default it will open like this. Why it is taking some time? Let it take some time. So by default something it will display. Just remove that and we'll write the code. Let a is equal to 1. Okay, I just wanted to let a is equal to 1. So here the while loop also it is used similar like a for loop, but a this while loop is little bit different compared to for loop. So for loop you have a initialization variable, condition variable, then increment. Whereas while loop, it has only the conditional. Like you can check the condition. For example, I less than 10. It will check the condition whether not a is less than 10. So here what we are doing, just we are declaring one variable a and we are assigning the value a is equal to 1. Then we are checking the condition whether a is less than 10. Until that condition is true, it will print the things. For example, I'll just write something simple. Um, so welcome something, some text I want. Now initially we have sent a is equal to 1 and we are checking the condition a is less than 10. Yes, true. After that we need to increment, right? For that you need to do like this, a plus 1. So first it will assign the value a is equal to 1. 1 is less than 10, true. Then it will come and it will print. Finally, once the condition is done, I want to print something. This done statement, this done will execute after this loop is over. So now quickly I'll run this one. So if you see here, this welcome is printed 10 times because this condition will be true until 10 times. For example, 1 is less than 10, yes, it will print this one. Then it will increment a plus 1. What means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is less than 10, yes. Like this, 3, 4, like until 10 will come. 10 is less than 10, no. Then finally it will print this one. So like this, the while loop will work. So even, for example, you want to print the value or value of a equal to, you want to print that also you can do. Just print just give the in the codes whatever the text you want to display, and comma you give, and give the variable name. It won't print a here, it will print the a value. So see here now, value of a initially 1 2 3 4 5 6. When 10 become, then it will come out and it will print done. So like this, the while loop will will run. While loop will work based on the condition. The condition, when the condition is true, until the condition is true, it will execute this one. Once the condition is false, when 10, when the a become 10, 10 is less than 10, no, then it will come here. So like this, the while loop will work. So this is very important, while loop, for loop, or the other loops like do while. So these are very important loops in every programming language. JavaScript also support this while loop, and this is very useful for our automation. So this is all about the um, while. I just want to, again I want to do another, a is equal to 10. Okay, a is greater than, sorry, a is greater than 1. I'm printing the from D. I just want to print 10, then it should be greater than. I want to put in the reverse order, 10 9 like that. And when I want 10 10 10 9 8 7 like that, I want, first I need to give the greater value 10. 10 is greater than 1, yes, it will print the a value. Then 10 minus 1, 9, again it will come here. 9 is greater than 1, yes, until till 2 it will print the value. Like this you can use the logical, this is logical operators, by using greater than or less than operator. You can work with the while loop. This is all about the while loop. I'll just go to the do while. So do while is, see, do while is similar to while. There is little difference here. So here what I am doing is, first it will execute the, right, I missed this one. So here what it will do, it will print the value first. Something you want to perform the action, console.log, something you want to print, value of a. Before checking the condition, you want to print the a value. Your condition you are need to check at the here a greater than 1. First you want to print the a value, then you need to check the condition. That is the difference between do while and while. Do while first will do something, it will perform, then it will check the condition. Now I want a equal to a minus 1, right? Otherwise it will go to infinite loop. So first it will print the a value, then it will make 10 minus 1, 9. 9 is greater than 1, yes, true. Like this it will run the program. See here, 10 9 blah 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 is printing until this condition is true, it will print. But first it will print the value, something, whatever you want to print, that will print before checking the condition. Whereas in the while, first it will check the condition, then it will execute the statement. The difference is here, do, first will do it, something you are doing, then you are checking the condition. Finally, I want to print something. Done. Do while loop is completed. You want to write this statement at the end. See, this statement is executed at the end because whenever this loop execution is completed, then this will come here. Similarly, you can print from the one, you can change the operator here. A is less than 10. Here you want to put a plus 1. Here also what it will do, it will start initialize the a value is equal to 1, and immediately it print the value 1, it will print. Then 1 plus 1 it will increment here. Then it check here 2 is less than 10. Yes. Then again it will go up, print the value. Like this it will navigate 10 times. Finally it will come to this. Like this do while and while do will work. So you can use this while loop for loop like this. Even in this loop, um, for example, you can put the if condition also here. I want to print only the 5, 1 and 5. So how would you do? You can do a double equal to 5. Then you want to print. Otherwise, this one, no. You have to put the condition here. Here what I am doing is, when the loop is navigating, I am checking the value here. If a is equal to 5, then only I want to print. Otherwise, I don't want to print anything. In such condition, you need to use the if condition. If condition will check if this loop will go 10 times, but all the 10 times it won't print the value. It will check the condition, then it will print. When a is equal to 5, then only it will print. So I'll navigate this. I'll run this. So if you see here, it did not print out all the values because we have put the condition. So I will give an example. For example, you call for the interview, okay, and you are calling for the people who are 90% in the engineering. So many people come, and you want the people who have 90%. So some people come with a 70%, 60%, 40%, or 45%, 80%. Everybody come to interview, but you want to allow only the person who has 90%. In such scenarios, you can use this if loop. So you have a lot of people, 100 people, 10 times it will execute, but all the 10 people I am not using. I am not asking to enter into the office. Only the person who have 90% or 5. I just put condition 5 here. You can put 90 also. If you had 100 loop. So if the condition is satisfied, if the person who have greater than, otherwise I'll do like this. You can use like this. The person who has greater than 5. So now what will happen? It will print all the 5, 6, 7, 9. Because I'm checking the condition here. Even this loop will execute 10 times, but I don't want to print. I want to print only when the number is greater than 5. Like this you can use in your code. So same thing, I'll use this in the um, VS Code. If you have VS Code installed in your machine, you can use the code like this code. So I just want to print this. So let a is equal to 10, do do floor bracket while a is greater than 1. Same code I want to print. I want to execute this here. I don't know why it is not copied this one. I'll copy one more time. You should copy everything. So it has copied the code. Same code I pasted in the VS Code. In the first video I showed how to open the VS Code, how to create the file, all that. You can watch my first video. Here also I'm just writing the same code. Let a is equal to 1. If a is greater than 5, then only it has to print. Greater than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. And no, so I want greater than 5. Okay. So how to run this program means, just q node, and this file is in root folder. So /test.js, file name.js. So it printed. Why it is? I did not save, I think. So it has printed this correct value. Do while loop is completed. So again I'll clear this and I'll execute this. So it has printed the same value, same output what it was printing in the online editor. See here, same value. You can, if you don't have Node.js or VS Code in your machine, you can practice in the online editor. So go to Google and type JavaScript online compiler. Click this one and it will open this one. So again I will click this. So it will open like this. Remove this everything and paste the code what you want to write. Just run it. So like this you can practice online editor. If you have VS Code in your machine, you can work like this. You can, for example, this is your folder. You can create another file here. Just click here, and once you click, you need to click this one, test2.js. Just paste this code. Again, when you save this, Ctrl S, click in the middle and save it, and just file name.js. So like this you can practice in VS Code as well as online. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. This is very good series. Like this will teach complete JavaScript for the automation engineers. Mostly this series is only for the automation engineer. This JavaScript is not used for the, I'm not using for the web development or web development or web development validation. I'm purely using JavaScript for the automation engineer, how they can use. So subscribe my channel and share to your friends, and ask them to learn JavaScript and Playwright. It has a lot of demand now in the market. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.